Hey guys, good day. So in this video I want to teach you how to do this design. Please do it to subscribe, like, share, so it helps this video to get to more people who want to learn design with their smartphone. So if you've not subscribed, please do it to subscribe. If you please do it to like the video. So many people watch videos and it's helpful to them, but they don't like, I don't know. Anyway, so do it to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, because I think I want to be posting almost regularly. So if you don't turn on the notification bell, you might not get informed. Maybe before you come back, we'll pass that trend. So I want to be making more of social media designs, just catchy ones, and also I will be sending the resources I'm going to be using for this design into my Telegram channel. So if you've not joined, I'll drop the link on the description below, so just join up. So I want to go straight to this design. So what I will do is I want to start from scratch, and I want to wipe out everything that is here. So the size I use is Instagram size, let's say 3000 by 4000. So just this. So first of all, we import my image I use. So this is it. So this is practically the image, and what I did was just to bring it down. Just brought it down and I locked it. So the other thing I did was to put my text. The write-up is keep smiling. Keep smiling. So this is it. And what I did, the text I use is Tosca, this one. I think I've shared this write-up before. So this is it, and what I want to do is to duplicate it. So I want to duplicate it here, and then I want to send it to this place and make it smaller. And also I want to reduce the line spacing for this one. The line spacing, yeah, so it becomes something like this. So I want to lock this right up, this one down. So remaining this. So what I'll do is to impute the color I use, which is this. You can just copy the S code 236FC0. So this is the write-up I use. So what I did was just to send it to the back, and then I will duplicate it. I will copy it, and then so I want to use this relative position so it can be aligned at the middle. So I'll put it here. I'll use relative position and send it to the back too. I'll copy it again, put it at the middle, put it at under this one, use relative size to position it to the middle, send it to the back, and then the last one, bring it to the back, use relative in this to centralize it, and then send to the back. So I think there's some spaces there. So what I want to do is to increase them individually. So just make sure it's aligned. They're all having whichever one you are done with, do it to lock it so that it won't be moving around. So this second one, I'll just take it up a little, and I think it's good there. So I'm going to lock it. So for this last one, I'll do the same, and I'm going to lock it. Okay. So what I did first of all was to change the opacity for the last three down. So I'll go to this. So use 20. Use 20 opacity. So the second one, I'll use 40 opacity. 40. So the other one, I'll use 60. So 20, 40, 60. That's what I use. So what I added was the shape. This radius, increase it a little, and then remove the fill. Remove the fill and add stroke. Then change the stroke color to blue, and I think 6 is good for the stroke. Let's say 7. Let's see, I don't want it to be too thick, so let's use 6. And I think this is just it. So I'll send it to the back also, then lock it so it doesn't be shifting. So another thing I did was to add a circle. I'll remove the fill, increase the stroke, and change the stroke color to blue, and okay, I want to reduce this. I just got it thicker and something like this. What I did again was to add another circle. This time I'll make it smaller. So I want to add it to the top. Change the color to the main color I'm using. Then I'm not getting the size, so I'm doing it. So just reduce it like this. And I'll take it up. Then I want to use relative size to bring it to the middle. Okay, so this is it. So practically I'll lock those up. So I want to impute my logo. Firstly, I want to change this text. Let me change this text to the color I'm using. This color. Then I'll add my logo, which is so I want to add this, and I want to set it to the right, the left. So this is it. So I'll run my social media and do my Instagram handle. Please do it to follow me on Instagram. I have 2 Instagram accounts. One is Simple Graphics, where I post Simple Graphics 1, where I post my logo design. I just post logo designs here. Then I have Simple Graphics Limited, where I post these social media designs. So this one I'm designing, I'm going to post it there. And, please do it to follow. So I'm going to change this text to Montserrat. I'm going to use Montserrat Light. And then for the C, I'm going to change it to font. So it will be Instagram icon. And voila. So what I need to just do is to reduce it to the size I want. So this is it. And we change it to the right also. So I'm using that color. I'm using black for that social media handle. And I'll look that up. So practically this is all for the design. So some things you can do is to play around your background. So I want to add just what I downloaded, this, and then I'm just going to distort it. I just want it to give me a feel at the background. It's not doing much, but most times I like using plain background, just plain. So this, I'll send it to the back. Then all I will do is to reduce the opacity. Down to kind of the minimum. So let's give it 4, and I'm going to lock it so it won't be moving. So another thing you can do is to just make it look, kind of interesting. So change this to the color I'm using. So these things are just formality. They are not practically not doing much, but it makes it more smooth, more beautiful. You get the point. So I just want to look where to place it, and okay. I'm looking forward to place it, so let me keep it here. I think it's looking nice here. Change it to this color. It's not giving any vibes there, so I'm just going to rotate it. I have some or this one already there, so just look at it. This is good, but I think I prefer just this one. So I'll duplicate this and add it to the right, then make it smaller. So this is it. So if I want to play around the picture, I can go to the image and then go to this color filter. So I can work on the saturation, work on the brightness, just anyhow I want to make it feel. The hue, I can change it. You just play around to see what you get. So I'm just trying to make it have this color of the color of the text. So what I'll do is just to increase the brightness. I think I'll prefer that color it is. Then I think this is just it. The contrast, I'll add it a little and okay. So practically this what we've got some. So if you want to make more things, you can actually add this. If you are doing it for a brand, so you can make it just like this. Yeah, okay. Make it just like this. Add color to this. You want to impute the social media handles for the brand you are designing it for. But before you do that, that other circle that is there is not inside. So I'm just showing you whatever things you can practically do to increase this design style. So I think I'm liking this. So what you do again, just try something. So I'm adding stroke to this, and then I'm going to add a drop shadow, and this drop shadow I'll reduce to the minimum. Then play with the offset I'll pass. Okay, so just leave all this. I'll change this opacity. So I'll leave this at 9, let's say 7. So practically just sit, so we are not doing much. So this is the design. Please, if you've watched to this extent and you've not liked the video, you've not subscribed, do well to subscribe. So see you guys in the next video.